Did you know that real-time market data will help you out in making more accurate trades? Watch this. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so real-time market data is the cornerstone of successful trading, and what you can see on your screen right now is smart charts. Now we'll show you how you would be able to utilize that with smart charts. Alright, so live updates on price and transaction volume plays a pivotal role in identifying market trends, assessing liquidity, and capitalizing on trading opportunities. So smart charts is actually emerging as a powerful tool that delivers these features with speed and precision to empower traders like us at any level. So be it you are a beginner or you're an expert or intermediate, this will definitely help you out. So guys, at the heart of smart charts is its real-time market data feature that provides live price updates directly from the global market without delays. All right, because again, whatever is like the trending news or something like that, especially in terms of like the government and all that, will definitely affect the price action of Forex, right? So this one will definitely help you out in, making informed decisions as it happens. So coupled with transaction volume monitoring, this feature enables users to gauge market sentiment and liquidity effectively. So whether tracking breakout opportunities or analyzing market trends, smart charts ensures that traders have the most accurate and timely data at their fingertips. So the benefits of using smart charts, guys, you have number one, speed and accuracy. All right, it's always, the real-time data is always changing, and it's always making sure that you have the latest and greatest news out there. So enhanced trading strategies is also another one of the benefits, and the improved decision making, which executes order with precision using the actionable insights. Okay, now traders can easily activate real-time data displays on smart charts by accessing the advanced tools like volume profiles and movement average for deeper analysis. And let me go ahead and show you the smart charts here in action, guys. So here in tools, you can click on that one. What it's going to show you is the available tools that you would be able to customize and utilize for your current trading. So you can see here, you have the currency strength, you have the technical analysis, you have the currency heat map, you also have the price action news. Look at that. So see, you have the pairs and the sentiments, like say for example for this one, AUD USD sentiment now above 80% long. That will definitely help you out in making informed decisions as it happens. So this feature supports various strategies and includes scalping, swing trading, and day trading as well. So by providing the actionable data that is required for you to make successful trades. Now guys, smart charts also offers tips to maximize this tool, such as the focusing on the volatile assets, setting the price alerts, and using multiple indicators to confirm your trades. Now with this robust capabilities, smart charts is the go-to platform for traders that are seeking up-to-date market insights. So you could go ahead and visit smart charts today and go ahead and experience you have never experienced before. And guys, make sure to follow all their social media platform, and of course guys, make sure to do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, and so you could also make informed decisions. And guys, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.